This is the Densmore #1 typewriter from about 1894. This is definitely one of the more rare typewriters you're liable to find, although it is quite uncommon. This machine I have here was restored back in 2018, or no, it was 2017 when I got it. It's been completely repainted, new decals, etc. So it's in very good condition, and it's very fine mechanical condition. Anyway, on with the machine. This is a very interesting machine in the development of typewriters, because when this machine came out, the main machine on the market was the Remington, and maybe say the Calligraph, both of which had significant amounts of wood in the mechanism. This machine is all metal, and also features ball-bearing type bars. The type bars have ball bearings in them. Unlike the Remingtons, or the Calligraphs, or many other machines, the ball-bearing type bars do not wear out. This machine is an upstrike machine, as can be seen by the fact that it types on the bottom of the carriage. So basically, it's like anything prior to the early 1900s. It is a upstrike. You can't see what you're typing. Over here is your shift lock. Push it forward, gets you lock and shift. Push it back, you're back to regular operation. You have a single shift key over here. Standard 4-row QWERTY keyboard that we still use today. Margin release key over here. Over on this side, we have the ribbon direction control, the ribbon reverse. It is not automatic. You must do it manually. When the ribbon runs out on one side, you have to switch it over by yourself. Over on this side of the machine, we have a ribbon crank here that we can use to rewind the ribbon. Then over here, we move the carriage out of the way, is the margin for the left side. And then over here is our return lever, our line space lever, and our platen knob. Right here, on this side of the machine, we have our carriage, viewing lever, our paper release, and our carriage release lever. Alright, on the back of the machine here, we have the knob to wind up the mainspring and the right margin. Over here is the escapement mechanism. There are two escapement dogs. Mine's a little dirty. You can adjust the screws there to engage snappier typing for expert typists. Although on my machine, those pieces are frozen. I really don't want to mess with them, as this is, like I said, a very hard machine to find. So finding a replacement would not be easy if I broke it. As with all Densmores, the carriage on the #1 comes apart quite easily. It literally lifts right off. There is the platen assembly and the carriage. There's a reason why there are more of these out there than carriages. They fall off. Now, just go back on like that. Alright. And now, why don't we give a short typing demonstration of this machine. Alright. Let's have a go at this. That is the basics of the Densmore #1 typewriter. This machine is quite wonderful. It's a very well-designed machine for the time. For the time, a lot of machines, like I've said previously, were made of wood and could potentially wear out quite fast. This machine is a very sturdy construction and was a really an advanced machine for its time. It is a shame that when Remington went to visible machines, they just simply discontinued the Densmore, went along with the old-fashioned Remington. Probably because the Remington did have more of a market presence. One little more feature back here, there is an adjustment for the spring and touch of the type bars. That's what the piece here in the middle does. And there are some other little adjustments throughout the machine, but those are the main ones. It's very simple, but a very well-built and solid typewriter. In my opinion, this is probably my favorite machine out of my collection, and one of my favorite brands of typewriter. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a nice day.